Auntie Rose is gonna taste her own quesadilla. This is Auntie Rose's stuffed chicken quesadilla. Hello folks, this is Auntie Rose's kitchen again. Today what I'm going to show you how to make is this well-loaded chicken quesadilla. What I have here, my beans, which is the chili beans. I have my cheddar cheese. I have my chopped onions. I've already chopped all these. And jalapeno peppers. I have my sour cream. And I have my red peppers. And I have my tomatoes. What I did early on, I boiled the chicken first, the chicken breast, as you can see here. You would boil your chicken breast and dry it off a little from the excess water. And then what you would do, you would finely chop your chicken. And then what you would do, you take your chicken, because you're going to brown your chicken now. Okay, and you're going to brown your chicken just a little while. Not very long, because remember, the chicken is already cooked, as I explained to you here. You're going to brown your chicken a little. Like for now, you're going to use high heat. You're going to let the chicken brown a little. You see, it takes its color again. You don't want it brown like you're going to have a baked chicken. Now you're going to remove your chicken into your bowl here. Okay, red peppers. And your onions. I can smell the aroma already. Okay. Just let that cook just for a little while. Okay, if you chopped it very finely, it don't take long to cook also, because you don't want to overcook any vegetables. Okay, so now this ingredient is now ready. You're going to spoon it into why I did not mix it with the chicken. Some people, if they don't like onions and peppers, they can eliminate it, or one can have it on the side. So I'm going to put a little olive oil. Your tortillas. These are also pre-baked. I bought at the market, because to make this you have to have a little more time to make all this. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take my tortillas over here. Alright, and you're going to put it here. I'm going to brown them a little bit more, so you're actually frying them. You can see them rising already. They are very, very soft and nice. And to keep them soft, you can cover. So here I have the cheese. And then I have the beans, the chili beans. And then I have the sour cream. And I have the jalapeno peppers. And of course, yes, you can use some nice tomatoes on the side. What you do, this is already washed. Use some nice tomatoes. You cut some tomatoes in small pieces. You're gonna serve the tomatoes on the side. Nice brown color. This is what you want to see. Wow, wow, wow. Very brown and nice. Don't take too long. You're gonna put cheese, whatever cheese you like. It don't have to be cheddar cheese. You're gonna melt your cheese a little. You don't have to melt all the way. See the cheese melting here? Alright, so what you're gonna do now is gonna pile on your chicken over the cheese. You're gonna put some of the onions and tomatoes and peppers here. What you can do now, you can just flip it over, right? Flip it over, just like this. Ooh, hot. And that's the way you want it hot. It only take a few minutes, remember. And then you're going to put it to your plate here. And then what you're going to do, you're going to top it off with a little more cheese if you want. Just a small amount. This is the sour cream. So put a little sour cream inside. Whatever way you liked it. And of course, yes, this is the peppers, the jalapeno peppers, and your beans. What you can do, you can put the beans aside, or whatever way you like it. You can also warm the beans, which is very, very nice. You can also sprinkle a little more cheese over here. This is your stuffed chicken quesadilla. Wow, the aroma is killing me. And this is Aunty Rose's stuffed chicken quesadilla. Thank you for watching. It's very easy. It only takes like 15 minutes. So this is a great lunch, breakfast, or dinner. And please subscribe and hit that bell to Aunty Rose's Kitchen. Thank you. Please subscribe and leave your comments. And I thank you very, very much. And this is coming from Aunty Rose's Kitchen. Wow.